Good morning guys. So in this video I'm going to explain how to use IFERROR function in Microsoft Excel. So let's just divide these two numbers. I'm going to divide this number with this number and press enter. If I double click this, it will autofill the remaining elements. You can see that we are getting 3 errors because it is because we are dividing that number with number 0. We already know that if we divide any number with number 0, definitely it will give some error. So how can we remove that? We can able to create our own customized error using IFERROR function. So just to type IFERROR. So generally IFERROR takes two arguments. One is value and value if error. So in the first argument we have to specify our expression. So in our case we are going to divide this number with this number. So this is our first argument. Suppose if there is any error is found in this first argument, then we have to print our customized error. Like for example, I'm writing like can't divide number by 0. If I press enter, then if I autofill this remaining cell, you can see that instead of getting the error, we are just printing our own customized error. So this is how we will use IFERROR function. Then we will go to the VLOOKUP function. So this is the data that we have played yesterday. So if you haven't watched VLOOKUP video, I will paste the link in the description. Please watch it. So in the VLOOKUP, we are having only 27 data, right? Suppose if I entered value more than 27 means what will happen? You can see that we are getting an error because employee ID 28 and 29 is not present at all. You can see that we are having only 27 records. So how can we remove that error? We can able to remove that using IFERROR function. You can see that this is our expression, VLOOKUP expression. I already said that IFERROR takes two arguments. So in the first arguments, we have to specify our expression. So in this, just to type IFERROR, if error. So this is our first argument, right? Suppose if there is any error is found in the first argument, we have to print our customized error. So in our case, I'm printing like invalid ID. Then press enter. Double click this. You can see that instead of getting an error, we can print our own customized error. So this is how we will use IFERROR function. So that's all for today. I'll see you again in the next video.